Today I can't decide how to use my sugar-free protective diet fruit jam. I have raspberry. This was made with a package of frozen raspberries. This one is pineapple. This was made with pineapple that I chopped and froze. And you could also use a bag of frozen pineapple, as you know from the recipe. And this is frozen cherries made into the sugar-free fruit jam. And you can see this has got like a nice gel to it. And I added it to my breakfast brownies and baked them as usual. Oh yes. And then I'm going to show you a little tip with the cheesecake nice cream that I've got going here. So instead of doing it as the recipe suggests, layering it in and putting it in a pan to scoop it, we are actually going to use the new fruit jam. Which one should we use, Jerry? The cherry, the pineapple, or the raspberry?
Let's go with the cherry.
The cherry. So we're making cherry cheesecake nice cream. And we're going to wait until it's nice and firm, but it hasn't stopped moving yet. And we're going to add our toasted oats. And these are my toasted oats, and they've been cooled. And just in case, this is a pro tip, if you forget to toast your oats and you get your ice cream batter churning, toast your oats, put a plate in the freezer while your oats are toasting. They only take a couple minutes. And then put your toasted oats onto the cold frozen plate and put this back into the freezer until it's time to add your mix-ins. So here's my cooled down toasted oats, and this is ready to go. So I'm going to add my oats first, and then in the very final minutes of the churn, I'm going to add my fruit jam. And when you add your fruit jam, you want to add it in big chunks so that it's a swirl, so that it doesn't mix into the ice cream and turn your ice cream pink. You just want it to mix in enough to get a swirl through it. Tap it in a little bit. But you don't want your ice cream to turn pink. It's probably perfect right there. I'm going to turn it off and scoop. I took my wand out of my ice cream maker, and these are my freezer packs, and this is the scoop and storage technique that you all know very well from all of the nice cream recipes. And you can see the jam is in my nice cream in chunks, and that's what I'm going for, because this jam will not freeze to an icy texture. It freezes to like the most amazing gel-like frozen texture. I don't even know how to describe it except amazing. You're gonna wish you had like a bowl of frozen fruit jam. But with this cheesecake nice cream, or with the classic chocolate nice cream, any of the fruit jam recipe flavors, it's just divine. I can't believe how great a protective diet just keeps getting week after week with every new recipe created in the test kitchen. And I'm gonna pop these nice cream ice cream balls into the freezer. And if I leave them in there to freeze solid, you want to take them out and defrost them in your refrigerator about 1 to 2 hours before you're ready to serve them. So I like to take a couple ice cream scoops out for Jerry and I while I'm making dinner, and then they'll be ready for our dessert. And that paces us. It makes a nice, healthy, protective dessert treat for us every night of the week with one night of effort. Take care and best of health.